Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Eat. In this video, I will guide you on how to close United Airlines account. So if you also want to close United Airlines account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open United Airlines application. You can see over here United Airlines is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you'll have to go to your account. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. Under the help and settings, you'll be able to find the option for settings at last. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several settings options over here. Scroll down. At last, you'll be able to find the option for close account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here you need to contact this number in order to close your account. So simply contact this number and then follow through the prompts in order to permanently delete your account. You might also have to provide your personal information in order to verify your identity. Also be ready for fees and policies. So that is how you close United Airlines account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.